The campus of Yamuna Group of Institutions, YGI, is spread over 30 acres of land and is surrounded by the sprawling greenery, far from the hustle and bustle of the city yet housed and beautifully equipped with all modern amenities. The institutions was established in the year 2012 with permission from the Government of India, Government of Haryana and affiliation with the PTBD, Sharma University of Health Science, Rohtak. Step into our vibrant college classroom where students dive into the fascinating world of dental studies. Welcome to our modern library, where you'll find thousands of books to fuel your research endeavors as a student. Let's take a closer look at the clinical departments of the college. Yamuna Dental Institution offers a wide range of specialized dental courses, providing students with the opportunity to select the programs that best align with their interests. The college prides itself on offering high-quality facilities and departments to support students in their dental studies. The college not only offers great facilities, but also has well-experienced faculty. Students can rely on the on-campus labs and teachers to receive a quality education. The institute has excellent infrastructure, with more than 200 dental chairs and latest state-of-art dental equipment. All the latest dental materials for the clinical procedures are available for undergraduate training program. Air-conditioned lecture halls with latest audiovisual aids, phantom head labs for preclinical and seminar/CDE room are some of the facilities available in the institute. The central library of the institute has a great collection of textbooks/reference books, Indian and international journals, and demonstrative atlas volume. The campus is fully residential and extends an environment full of opportunities for personal growth. The hostel offers excellent lodging and boarding facilities to cater to the needs of both male and female students. Every hostel is supervised by a warden and a faculty in charge, who ensures that utmost care is taken to provide the best amenities to the students. All kinds of outdoor and indoor games and sports are available in the campus under the able guidance of a dynamic and efficient director of sports. Sports are an important activity which is carried out to encourage a sense of healthy and all-round development of the students. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.